Shortwave makes it easy to navigate across the app and find threads through search. Intuitive filters and smart suggestions help you find exactly what you need. Here's a breakdown of all of the different search filters and navigation shortcuts you can use. To start searching for a thread, click into the search bar, or you can press the / key. You can start with a basic keyword search or phrase, or use a filter. You can already see a few filters are suggested by default. You can click any one of these filters to view all of the threads that fit that search criteria. If you're not much of a mouse person, you can also type these filter names in and use your arrow keys to select a filter too. If you need to further refine your results, you can also add additional keywords to find exactly what you're looking for. Aside from the suggested filters, there are a few other filters that help you narrow down your search too. You can type from and a contact's name or email to see any message sent by that person. There's also in that lets you search any messages in a specific conversation or channel. And lastly, there's the old has attachment to quickly find threads containing files and images. In addition to filters, you can also use this search bar to navigate to different pages in the app by selecting one of the tiled results up top. For example, you can navigate to a label by searching for a label's name. You can view and navigate to a category like promotions to see all relevant threads in that category, or jump to a conversation history with an individual or group by typing in a contact's name or email. Whenever you're viewing a conversation history, you can quickly search through those specific threads by focusing the search bar and selecting the default in conversation suggestion. You can even navigate to main pages like snooze or done through search too. One last helpful tip for finding emails in Shortwave actually doesn't involve the search bar at all. If there's a specific thread or message you want to reference, you can copy a private link to it so you can easily paste it into a doc or task manager. You have the option to link an entire thread, or just a specific message by using this menu here. These links can only be viewed by the people already on the thread, so they're great for things like tracking bugs or referencing important messages with a single click. And that's search. Now you know how to use filters to find exactly what you're looking for and navigate across the app. For more productivity tips, head to shortwave.com/docs to see all of our guides, videos, and email best practices.